Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Tasha binti Muhammad Afiza. So I would like to present about my project proposal, which is the title Smart Hiker Safety Monitoring System with Automatic Checkout Alert for Gunung Pulai. So I will explain the problem background of the system. Gunung Pulai in Johor is a well-known recreational forest that attracts hundreds of hikers every week. However, the current system still relies on a manual logbook at the entrance, where hikers are required to write their name and phone number. This method has several weaknesses. For example, the paper records can be easily lost or damaged, especially due to weather conditions like rain. In addition, the system does not support real-time tracking, and there is no proper way to identify hikers who fail to check out. Because of this, hikers may not be easily identified or contacted in the event of an emergency. Furthermore, the current system does not provide real-time monitoring. So, admin cannot determine whether hikers are still on the trail or have exited safely. This creates a serious safety concern, especially in situations where hikers go missing or injured. Without accurate and updated information, emergency response may be delayed. In addition, there is no mechanism to detect hikers who fail to check out, which increases the risk of delay, rescue, and potential harms. Next, the existing system limitation. There are several existing systems in Malaysia, such as iForest, C-Forest, and MyNIS. However, these systems have limitations. For example, iForest focus on permit but lack proper entry and exit tracking. C-Forest provide online registration but does not include checking features or safety monitoring. For MyNIS is mainly used for registration purposes and does not track hiker status. Therefore, this system does not fully support safety monitoring or real-time tracking of hikers. Another issue is location spoofing. This happens when users provide false location data or use system features without actually being present at the locations. This can lead to inaccurate tracking, false SOS alerts, and misuse of the system. Without proper basic verification, the reliability of the system is reduced. So the proposed system includes several key features. First, online hiker registration, where users can enter their details before arriving, reducing manual errors and improving data storage. Second, QR code checking and checkout, allowing hikers to easily record their entry and exit, enabling better monitoring. Third, an admin dashboard that provides real-time update on hiker status, which allow administrators to monitor all hikers effectively. In addition, the system includes secure login authentication to protect user data. There is also an SOS emergency alert features, allowing hikers to send alert during emergency for faster response. So to prevent the misuse, the system includes a location spoofing prevention mechanism to ensure only verified users can access key features. Furthermore, an automated checkout alert will notify any administrator if a hiker fails to check out within a certain time. Lastly, the system supports offline functionality, where data can be stored locally and synchronized later, along with SMS-based alert when there is no internet connection. In Malaysia, most existing systems focus on permit management rather than safety monitoring. For example, iForest and C-Forest manage registration but do not provide real-time tracking or emergency alert. MyNIS is designed for checkpoint scanning but not for hiker safety. Therefore, there is a gap in current system, especially in integrating safety features such as real-time tracking, SOS alerts, and automated monitoring, which this project aims to address. And then the objective of this project are: first, to gather the requirement the current manual system and identify its weaknesses. Second, to develop a web-based system to replace the manual process. And third, to implement QR-based check-in and check-out for tracking purposes. And finally, to test system functionalities, including SOS alert and secure login to ensure safety and reliability. The scope of this project includes both users and administrators. For user, the system provides online registration, QR check-in and check-out, and SOS alert. For administrator, the system includes a dashboard for real-time monitoring, automated alert for missing checkout, and secure access control. In addition, the system includes SMS alert and location spoofing prevention features. However, the system has several limitations. It only records hikers at check-in and check-out point and does not provide full GPS tracking along the trail. It also does not include advanced features such as health monitoring or predictive analysis. And also, real-time updates may be limited when there is no internet connection, as data will only be synchronized later. And therefore, administrator may not always have fully updated information at all times. So here is the project requirement for the system development. And the first one is software. We use XAMPP, PSM1, Visual Studio Code, HTML, CSS, and MySQL. And then the hardware, we use PC or laptop and mobile phone. And then for the technology, technique, method, and delivery, I will use web-based development, QR code generate and scan, SMS-based emergency alerts. And for the element network, the first one is real-time data update between client and server. The second one is internet-based system, which is web browser. And then the security element is user authentication, which is login. Second one, role-based access, user and admin. The third one is password encryption. Fourth is input validation. And this project area is network and security, web application development, safety and monitoring system.